Hello guys, welcome back to another video of chess. So in this video I will play 1 minute and I will discuss and I will analyze the game. So don't worry, let's start. Okay guys, they are finding the we have played. Oh, knight to e. I will play some trap here. Bishop to e2. I will play h5, h4. Oh, he don't. Oh no, I blundered my knight. Queen to f3. Queen into c6. Queen into a8. Oh wow. This is a luck. This is a luck. Queen to f3 back. d3. I will exchange my knight. Knight to d5. I will exchange this also. Bishop to d2. Preparing to long castle. Bishop takes g5 long castle. Oh wow. I want to exchange, man. You are a full exchange up, man. Rook to a1. Rook to a1. What he will do? I will trap his bishop. Okay, rook to e1 check. I will support. Time is my hope now. Rook to d1. Oh, he want to promote his pawn, but that will not happen. Okay, he is very ambitious. I will play now rook to e1. This is a normal move. Okay, I will support my rook first of all. So, okay, he wants to come. I will attack in 7th rank. What you will do? Oh wow, taking my pawn. Okay, take another pawn. I will destroy your queen side, okay? Okay, man. Oh, time. Guys, this is the luck. We blundered a knight. I was to blunder my rook. See, here one blunder is coming. Okay, guys, I will analyze. First, we will play another game. Then only we will analyze the game. Okay, guys, let's start. Okay, searching a. Okay, give me higher rated. Oh, you have given. What is this opening? He is very creative. Bishop to d6, bishop to e6. I will push my pawn. a4, a5. Okay, castle, short castle. Okay, don't worry, I will. Pawn takes pawn. Oh wow. Oh, this is a trap. I think it is not a trap. Oh, guys. For. Okay, this is wrong. I am not ahead in time then also. Queen takes a3 should happen. And this is not happening. Why? I don't know. Okay, I will attack your rook. Save your rook. Okay, you have saved. Then I should exchange my pieces. I should not exchange, but then also. Queen take d1. Oh, you want my pawn? I will not give at all. Oh, he's trapping my rook. This will not happen. Oh, rook to f2 is a threat. I missed it. What's that? Please bring back your bishop. He will not at all bring. Game over. Time is my hope. So guys, I will be now I will be silent for 1 minute. I want to win this game. I will not, I know, but let's try. This was a bad checkmate for me. 1 minute challenge. Oh, only 1 minute. Now this is the last game. I want revenge. I will take revenge. Game aborted, guys. So this is this is the last game. Okay, so guys, I told I will analyze, and yes, I will analyze very fast because this will. Okay guys, I'm analyzing my game. So okay, uh okay, so what shall we analyze? We have to self analysis and then we'll see game report. E4. So this is equal. You can see upwards. There is actually here the correct move was pawn takes pawn. This is known as Scandinavian defense. I thought he will fall in my Tennyson trap, but no. And here he blundered. Actually, he should have take with the bishop. Okay, and here I blundered my knight also because pawn takes knight. If I take bishop, then he will take my rook, and this is game over. Okay, I blundered my knight here. Yeah. Okay, means here he should have played like something like knight to d7, but he not played. That was good for me. Blundered his rook also. Okay, bishop takes. Oh wow. Here I was to exchange all the pieces. He helped me because I was an exchange up, but then also engine is showing minus 0.84. I don't know why. So actually here means he should have played something like pawn push, then because it will gain more space. He not played. Okay, it was good for me, and here he was time up and he lost the game. Okay guys, I will analyze next game in next video. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and if you watch daily my video, then hit that notification bell. You will get notification of my video. So guys, thank you. Peace out.